In this lecture, we will explore a new method called toSpliced, which is used for removing, adding elements in the array. It is similar to the splice method. The only difference is the toSpliced method gives a new array and keeps the original array intact, that is immutable. Let's go to the coding screen, and here first of all we will try the splice method. So to begin with, creating an array ARR where I have values apple, mango, banana and orange. Now the next thing is I'll say let ARR1 is equal to ARR.splice. Here I'll say 1, 2. Now this operation, this syntax which you see right now 1, 2, it means it's going to perform the deletion operation on the array. 1 means it will start from the second index, that is index number 1, and it will go till 2 more elements, that is 1 and the 2, that is the index number. These 2 elements will be removed and it will be returned in ARR1. So ARR will not have mango and banana. ARR1 will have mango and banana because those are the removed elements, and ARR will have just apple and orange. Let's say console log ARR and console log ARR1. Let's save this and run the code. And as you can see, we have apple and orange in ARR and ARR1 has mango and banana. In short, the splice method did make change to the original array, that is ARR. If I want to replace both the elements with some other values instead of deleting, then in the splice method, here I can add, let's say, comma, grape and pineapple. Let's run the code, and you can see that the ARR is modified, 2 elements removed, that is mango and banana removed, and grape and pineapple are added. In short, we can do many operations by the help of splice method, but they all operate on the original array. But with the use of toSpliced, we can keep the original array intact. Let's apply toSpliced in place of splice. So here I'll just replace it. I'll say toSpliced. That's it. Let's run the code. And in the output, you can see the original array remains the same, and we get a new array ARR1. We can also get new array with removed elements without changing original array, and for that, instead of insertion operation, I will perform the deletion. So I'm going to remove this grape and pineapple. That's it. Now let's run the code, and as you can see that we have the ARR1 with the removed elements, but the ARR is still as it is.